to fit some seat belts. And what we need to do is get a thread behind this hole up here. There's no thread, so we're going to use a plate, a nut plate. So what I've already done is drill 2 holes, 30mm apart. And then we need to drill the same holes in here and open out this hole. Now we're going to show you how to get this thread behind that hole. I'm going to open this out to about 11 and a half. Easy.
Go.
Here's the trick to getting this behind there. You need quite a stiff piece of wire. And we're going to push it. You see that hole there?
Yeah.
Push that through. Bring it through this hole. We put that wire through the flat side first. And tie a knot. Hold that. And we're going to pull it through. To hold that in place, put 2 screws basically to stop it spinning, nothing else, nothing structural. We hold that tight, screw those in. Bolt on this hanger plate now to bring the seat belt down.
Yep.
So we're going to bolt this through this hole here, this existing mounting point. And we just spread back the sheep's wool and put some card to stop the wool going into the mechanism. And we're going to use another plate behind there. And we're going to bolt it through. Stop.
Ready?
That hole needs to line up with that one, the wall panel. There. Seat belt will mount to that then. That. Actually.
Going.
Make sure that lines up with the flows nicely up and down. Need to put it through the panel then. Move this. Feed it through the hole. there. And this bolts into an existing threaded hole at the bottom here. So tighten that one and tighten that one up. There we have it. One seatbelt.